You need to stop telling people you're going to help them. People don't want your help. They're not coming to you for your help. They're coming to you for solutions. Coming to you because you get the job done. So stop telling people you're going to help them. If someone says, hey, I need some images, can you do that for me? You don't say, yeah, I can help you out. You say, yes, I can do that for you. And then you ask a series of follow-up questions that show them that you are an expert in your field and that you know how to deliver the images they need to enhance their products, enhance their goods, enhance their services, and elevate their brand. You are a solution provider. You are not a helper. Stop telling people you're going to help them. If you have the word help on your website anywhere, get rid of it. Do a search. Do a search on Google. Search in quotes the word help and then cite your website. If you have the word help anywhere on your website, Google knows where it is. Look for it, find those links, go into those pages, go into those blog posts and remove the word help. Stop telling people you're going to help them. You're not a helper. You're a solution provider. You are an expert in your field. You're not an assistant. Give people the baby, not the birth. That's an expression that I love. Give people the baby, not the birth. People don't need that. They don't want that. They don't want to know about my process. They don't care about my light setup. They don't care about the camera equipment I'm using. They don't care about any of that. What they care about is, are the images that I give them going to do the job that they hired me to do? Are the images going to elevate their brand? Are the images going to make them look good? They want images. They want to have an emotional impact. You're not going to help them experience that. You are going to give them that experience. You are not going to give them images that help sell their product. You are providing them with the expertise and the knowledge and the images and the deliverables, stills, videos, whatever they are. You're giving them results, not help. So I want you to start changing your mindset. If you think in this way, like, we help you market your brand, we help create images. No, you do create images. They will market their brand. The images will market their brand. The images will produce results. If you can't deliver, you shouldn't be doing this. If you cannot deliver on your clients' expectations, you're not running a good business. Your work needs to be good. You need to be able to give them the baby. They don't care about the birth. They don't want to hear about everything along the way. They don't want to hear about the trivial nonsense. They don't care about any of that. All they care about is the final product. Are your images going to produce results? I hope so. If not, then you have work to do. Subscribe to this channel for more videos to help you run your photography business. Tap the like button if you found this video helpful, inspiring. Double tap the dislike button if you didn't like it. Leave your comments below and let me know if you're a formed helper. Until next time, take care.